In today's sponsor video, we're going to be looking at some really amazing screen protectors. What I have here are the ones by the SmartDevil. Now, this is their box series screen protectors, which have extremely easy installation. What I'm going to be using it today is with my Google Pixel 9, but they do have them for the other phones as well. Now, inside the box, you will end up getting 3 film installation toolkits because this does come with 3 screen protectors. Then you do get 2 extra screen protectors. And then also you do get the box with the screen protector already placed inside. Really amazing design. I'm going to show you in a little bit how the installation is. And also you will be getting a little lens protector as well, which is pretty awesome. Now, the screen protector has the military grade shatterproof. It is also 9H hardness and 5 times stronger scratch resistant. Now, why is that important? Here is my iPhone 13 mini. Now, on this one, I haven't used the screen protector, and I'm not sure, it's kind of hard to show you on the camera, but it has, here we go, it has so many of these small key scratches, and honestly, it doesn't look that attractive. Also, as I'm twisting it this way, you can see one big scratch that goes all the way around. Now you can see it better on the, when I put it this angle. Look at that. Rest of the phone is 10 out of 10, but you know, when you look at the screen, a lot of small scratches. Look at that. So the screen protectors offers all the protection you will need, shatterproof, and on top of that, it is scratch resistant. Open up one of these film kits. All right, see inside here, we do have a nice little cloth. Then we have the wet wipe. And then we also have the dust sticker. So let's turn it this way. First thing you want to do is use the wet wipe. Take the dry one. And again, make sure you get all the corners. All right, now finally, take the dusting stickers. I'm gonna peel that off. Now, the next thing you want to do is you're gonna take the box, as I already mentioned, it already has the screen protector. You're gonna align it with the top. You're gonna press it down, make sure it's in. There we go, just like that. And all you have to do is just hold that on the side. You're gonna pull this little tab here. There we go. And now just hold there for around 10 seconds. Also, what you want to do is run your finger a little bit through the middle. All right, now just remove it. There we go. Put that on the side. Now we do have a little bit of bubbles on the top. When it comes to that, what you can do is end up using your cloth and just kind of push it to the edge, press it, and then just keep pushing it. You can end up using something like this or a cord or anything like that. So all you have to do is just kind of press it, give it pressure, and then just slowly lead it towards the edge. Now, another tip I usually do is if I have something like this, make sure, of course, it's not sharp. So what you want to do is just kind of do kind of like this slowly with the pressure, and then you're going to lead those bubbles to the edge. That usually works. As you guys can see, this is perfect alignment with 0 bubbles. Now, let's end up doing the back side. Let's do the lenses. Kind of do the same thing. Clean it with the wet wipe, dry wipe. Now, once you peel it off, make sure you hold it by the edges. I'm gonna align it. Now that you have that, you're gonna take the little cloth and just press it down. And just like that, perfect installation. Now, the main thing is, let's see if it does work with the case. So as you guys can see, perfect fit with the case as well. Now, the screen protector has a really good sensitivity to it, as you guys can see here. And best of all, you don't have to worry anymore about key scratches or anything like that. This is scratch resistant, so you have your keys. As you guys can see, not even one scratch. And again, that's just the screen protector, so that means it's going to protect the screen. And now let's do something a little bit more intense. Let's check now. No scratches. Beautiful. So if you're looking for a premium quality screen protector with the easy installation, this is the one I would definitely recommend. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.